problem statement. We have weather record at AtCoder town for some consecutive ってなんだろう、連続的なとかかな。consecutive 3 days. A string of length 3 s represent the records. If i's character is s, it means it was sunny on the ice day. If that character is r, it means it was rainy on that day. Find the maximum number of consecutive rainy days in this period. という感じです。Problem statement. We have sticks numbered I to N って読むのかな。The length of stick I is Li. In how many ways can we choose 3 of the sticks with different lengths that can form a triangle? この文章、なんか英文法難しくないですか？で、that is found the number of triple of integers I, j, k. で、that satisfied both of the following conditions. Li, Lj, and Lk are all different. There exists a triangle whose sides have lengths Li, Lj, and Lk. これは英語だけだと辛い。Problem statement. たかしいきなりたかしたかし who lives on the number line is now at coordinate x. He will make exactly k moves of distance d in the positive or negative direction. More specifically, on the move, in one move, he can go from coordinate x to x plus d or x minus d. He wants to make k moves so that the absolute value of the coordinate of the destination will be the smallest possible. Find the minimum possible absolute value of the coordinate of the destination. なるほど。Problem statement. Takashi will play a game using a piece on the array of squares numbered 1 to n. Square I has an integer ci written on it. Also, he is given a permutation of 1 to n, p1, p2, pn. Now, he will choose one square and place the piece on that square. Then he will make the following move some number of times between 1 and k. Inclusive ってなんだっけ？ In one move, if the piece is now on square I, move it to square pi. Here, his score increases by cpi. Help him by finding the maximum possible score at the end of the game. The score is 0 at the beginning of the game. Problem statement. There are k items placed on a grid of squares with r rows and c columns. Let ij denote the square at the ith row and the jth column. The ith item is at and had the value vi. 高橋 will begin at 11, the start, and got to RC, the goal. When it sees at ij, he can move to I plus ij or I plus j, but cannot move to a non-exist square. He can pick up items on the squares he visits, including the start and the goal, but the most 3 for each row. It is allowed to ignore the item on a square he visits. Find the maximum possible sum of the values of items he picks up. という感じです。